We want everybody to feel welcome and confident using our website. We've added a handy new tool called the Reachdeck toolbar. This makes our website accessible for anyone who has trouble reading, has dyslexia, speaks English as a second language, or just finds the screen hard to read. Reachdeck toolbar is part of our website. You don't need to install it and you don't need to buy any software. To use the Reachdeck toolbar, click on the grey circle stickman. You'll be able to see it at the top of each page, just here. Once you click it, this launches the Reachdeck toolbar. You'll see this appear across the top of your screen, just there. So let's have a look at how we can use the Reachdeck toolbar. I am going to find a page here that we can have a look at together. So, first of all, I'm going to click on the text-to-speech icon. I want to hear what's on the web page read out loud.
Equality, diversity and inclusion. We are an inclusive organisation that values diversity, ensures equal opportunities, challenges discrimination and integrates equality, diversity and inclusion into everything we do.
The Reachdeck toolbar can also read PDFs out loud. These PDFs when you open them on the website. However, this can only be done if the Reachdeck toolbar is already open, just here, before you click and open the PDF. Let me show you how. So let's go on to a bit about us. Here you can find lots of information. You can find our policies, key documents, here, our policies. Now, if you have a look here, all important policies can be found here. You're able to open them as PDFs. Where the link is red and it says it will open in a new window, that is a PDF. So why don't we have a look at the customer feedback policy? So, I want to open this PDF and I really want it to read out loud to me. This can only be done if you have the Reachdeck toolbar open before you click. The PDF is open in a new tab. Because I have the Reachdeck toolbar open already here, it means I'm able to let it read the text from this PDF out loud to me. Now I only want it to read this paragraph out loud to me. If I wanted for it to read the whole page, I would just click this button. To read the whole page, I would click this button for it to stop. However, I don't want it to read all of this bit here. I just want it to read the paragraph. So I'm going to click this button and then I'm going to hover over that paragraph to hear it read out loud.
At Reachdeck, we care about what our customers think. Whether something has gone wrong or you've had a great experience, your feedback helps us do better.
Now, the next button here, this translates the page to a selected language. As you can see, there are many languages available. It can translate the web page into 99 languages and it can speak out loud, as shown by this icon, 40 of those languages in a high quality, natural sounding native voice. If we look at this button here, this is the picture dictionary button. It displays pictures that are related to text selected on the screen. If I click it, I would like to see what is meant by, let's have a look, what should we have a look to see? Community. And it will show you pictures related to that word. There we go. Now I've just pressed the X button there to close it. Let's have a look at the next button. This is the MP3 generation button. This means that Reachdeck toolbar can convert any text that you select from the web page into an audio file that you can then listen to at a later date, at home or on the move. So, enter a file name. That's for when you want to save it, what you want it to be saved as. If I highlight, there we go, it will generate that into MP3 generator audio file. I have forgotten to name it though, so make sure you don't. Now, onto our next button. This button here is the screen mask button. This feature allows you to apply a colour filter to your screen. There we go. Now, this semi-opaque mask extends across the screen, leaving a letterbox reading window. This allows it clearer on the screen for you to focus on the exact bit that you're reading. This button here is the text magnifier. The text magnifier can magnify the text to a larger size at the same time it is being read out loud. You can personalise the font, the size and the colour in settings to suit your needs. Settings is this icon here. We'll go through that in a minute. There we go.
Equality, diversity and inclusion. We are an inclusive organisation that values diversity, ensures equal opportunities, challenges discrimination and...
I just pressed that button there to stop it. Now, go off those. This button here is the Simplify button. It removes clutter and distractions from the page, such as pictures, adverts, and if you see here, this is the web page normally. You can see how we have laid it out to make it look nice. However, if you just want to focus on just the text, you can click this button here, the Simplify button, and it shows just the important text on the screen, making it easier to focus and easier to understand. This button here is just the Help button. Everything that I've taught you through today can be found information telling you what each button means. This button is the Settings. As I said before, you can change the text size, the text font and the text colour when you're using the text magnifier. You can also change the voice speed of when it's spoken out loud. You can change lots of different things in here, such as colours on the screen and different ways that you can make it more accessible and how you would like it. So have a look there. Now, we've gone through all of the buttons on the toolbar. I hope this is helpful. We really do value your feedback. Please do get in touch if you have any questions, any feedback, or any suggestions about the accessibility of our website. We really do want to make our website as easy as possible to use. So please let us know. Thank you.